From concept to custom manufacturing, see how our team brings your diagnostic assay to life with precision, flexibility, and regional support. We have a long history of manufacturing, validating, and optimizing products, and apply that experience to our new and existing projects to achieve optimum performance and continuous improvement. By adding our proprietary excipients and lyophilizing your assay, we can supply a product which is room temperature stable, has an increased shelf life, and is ready for you to add your sample. We offer a scalable, regional manufacturing solution whether you're a new startup or a global supplier of stabilized molecular diagnostic kits. Our dedicated freeze dryers and humidity-controlled kitting area support custom manufacturing from pilot-scale runs to the most demanding forecasts of our global customers. Meet the Customized Solutions team, our team of scientists dedicated to customized solutions. They will support your project from proof of principle trials through optimization, validation, and into full manufacturing. The planning team allocate approved raw materials and components needed to manufacture the agreed assay and schedule production. They process over 4,000 work orders every year. Our kitting team carry out the necessary checks on the work order, collect materials from the temperature-controlled storage area, and store them in designated collection points, which are maintained at temperatures ranging from -80 degrees Celsius to room temperature. Our laboratories operate on clean room best practices, including HEPA-filtered positive pressure and humidity control to ensure product quality and contamination risk is minimized. Our team of scientists with over 100 years' experience get to work making the product in the formulation lab. The equipment and raw materials are organized in accordance with the work order, and the picked lots are certified. The raw materials are defrosted in a controlled manner, while our excipients are carefully formulated. We offer a variety of different plasticware formats, including single vials, 96 well, and 384 well plates, as well as bespoke point-of-care devices. Dispensing methods include single as well as multi-channel pipettes. We can automate the dispensing process using our automated dispenser. We have 2 manufacturing methods to offer flexible formats and a wide range of batch sizes for low, medium, and high throughput customers. Our range of freeze dryers enable flexibility, capacity, and contingency for all our customers' needs, whether small or large batch sizes are required. And that's just the beginning. In Part 2, discover how we build in quality and confidence at every step.